Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change struts on Hyundai Santa Fe. Begin by gathering tools and reading safety steps before lifting the car. Remove the wheel and inspect the surrounding suspension for rust or damage. Keep parts organized and photograph connections to aid reassembly. Replace one side at a time and compare old and new struts for correct fit before final torquing. In this video, I will explain how to change struts on Hyundai Santa Fe. Start by assembling all required tools close to the work area to avoid interruptions. Secure the vehicle on jack stands and release tension slowly when compressing springs. Label bolts and match orientation of mounts to avoid mistakes. Clean mounting surfaces and apply anti-seize where needed to ensure future serviceability and prevent corrosion. In this video, I will review how to change struts on Hyundai Santa Fe. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers make shop lunches hassle-free and keep oily hands away from upholstery, a small win during messy projects. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like for more guides and tips. Check the description for the link and extra deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help change struts on Hyundai Santa Fe. Loosen top mount nuts before removing the wheel to allow controlled removal later. Carefully compress the spring and swap strut cartridges or complete assemblies as preferred. Hand thread fasteners first to ensure alignment, then torque in sequence to specified values. Reconnect all brackets, bleed brakes if lines were loosened, and test drive slowly to confirm handling and ride height.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.